Hi everyone, let's get right into February with this plan with me. Painting golden hearts shining like the sun, a symbol of love that's yet to come. A butterfly so small and free, fluttering among the flowers, wild and carefree. February, a month of love and light, a time for hearts and flowers bright. With watercolors we'll paint the scene of blooms that sway, petals so serene. Minimal in design, a sight to see, this plan with me, a journey to be. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty in simplicity before it's too late. So come along, let's make a plan to create a world where love began. February amongst the treasure, with a plan that's yours forever and ever after. And there you have it, a beautiful plan with me filled with flowers, golden hearts and a little butterfly, inspired by Valentine's Day. I hope it brought a touch of whimsy and inspiration to your day. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for more, consider subscribing. I have so many bullet journaling goodies on the channel, and if you're really loving this February spread, it's available on Patreon, ready to be printed and added to your very own bullet journal. Let's make this February a month to remember. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time!